Alright, here we are, Hurricane Sandy. What do you think, Bella?
I don't know, it's a little scary. I don't want to go out there because it's like Godzilla.
Alright, I'm going to go outside and take video. Watch out. Alright, you can just hear the wind. The neighbor. Wow. Crazy. Let's see what's going on over here, how the generator's doing. Generator is generating. Alright, let's see what we got. Crazy storm, man. Broke our pear tree down. Wow. Area right there. Holy cow. Wow. Our pear tree. Oh, wow. Neighbor's got stuff going on here. Woo. Crazy. Their gutters all the way over the roof of their house. 81 at Plum Island. We have generator action going. Mama made some good food. Wow, that's scary out there. Alright, well, just thought I'd capture a little bit of the moment.